AI video is evolving at a fast pace, but let's be honest, it's a mess. You are jumping from one side for video, another for audio, and a third just to fix the movement. But what if you could access the world's best models in one place? Today, we are looking at Hicksfield, the Gen AI company that's finally making pro level tools actually creator friendly. We will explore best AI video tools on Hicksfield. Hicksfield is a top tier Gen AI company dedicated to one thing, making high quality AI video easy for creators. This platform brings the world's best advanced models like Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 audio, and Wan 2.5 together in one place. One of the biggest hurdles in AI video is having to jump between different tools to get the best results. But inside Hicksfield, that problem is gone. You get direct access to a curated stable of the world's leading models all in one platform. We are talking Nano Banana Pro for high-end visuals, Kling 2.6 audio for immersive sound, and Wan 2.5 for industry-leading motion. They have just taken things to a whole new level with the launch of Cinema Studio. This is the first ever end to end filmmaking pipeline. It doesn't just spit out a clip, it takes you from a calculated, carefully crafted first frame all the way to a finished, polished video. I have been putting this to the test myself. Take a look at this video I created recently. To get this result, I didn't have to be a technical genius. I just had to pick a model, craft a concept, and let Hicksfield turn it into a fully produced shot. Let's talk about Nano Banana Pro. We have all been there. You prompt an AI to make a cool poster, but the words look like alien soup and the characters change faces every 5 seconds. It's frustrating. But today, we are looking at Nano Banana Pro. This is a next gen engine built to give you production ready visuals, meaning stuff you can actually use for work, films, or social media. You can generate natively in 2K or 4K. And if you have an old blurry AI photo you love, just throw it in the upscaler and it turns into a crisp 4K masterpiece. Most AI models are bad at math. You ask for three things, you get six. Nano Banana Pro has visual reasoning. It understands your instructions before it starts drawing. If you are making a movie or a brand, you need stronger identity control. Nano Banana Pro keeps your characters consistent. You can change their outfits or the camera angle, and it still looks like the same person. Let's talk about Kling 2.6 audio. Kling 2.6 audio is a new multimodal engine that produces complete scenes with synchronized visuals, ambience, and voice. Native audio. So you have built-in voice plus ambience that makes scenes blocking instant. So you don't need extra editing or plugins. You have better motion fidelity, higher prompt precisions, so you can use more accurate interpretation of action, framing, and emotional tone. You get full quality. So let's say I have this image created using this prompt. Okay, and now I want to add some audio into this image. So I want to basically animate this image, right? So what we can do, just click on this image, whatever image you want to animate. So click on this image, click on animate button here, then it will be redirect to create video page. Here you can see you can add the prompt here. So I have already copied that prompt, just writing down that prompt here. Okay, here you can add the audio here, so it will add the audio into this particular image. You need to select the model Kling 2.6. You can make the duration as 10 seconds and just click on generate. It will create that video out of this image with this specific instructions with this audio. So till that time, let's go to another page where you can find that 10 prompts that you can use with Kling 2.6 audio. So here, let's see in a quick overview. Till that time, we have this video has been generated. So now, as you can see, we have this video created using Kling 2.6, right? This is also that prompt I am referring now. So you can see, let me unmute. So this was generated using Kling 2.6 using this prompt. Another one is here. Wonderful, isn't it? Yeah. So again, let's see if it is created. It's still in progress. It will take some time, but yeah. So here, when you click and unmute, right? It looks good. So here are few example prompts that you can use when you are learning with Kling 2.6. So let's come back when this video has been generated. All right. So we have this video created using this prompt. Let's see how it is working. Listen to the gentle whisper of graphite on paper. Each stroke, a tender sound in this quiet room. Listen to the gentle whisper of graphite on paper. Yeah, so it's working, right? So as you can see, you can also edit this video. You can also recreate from this video. So it's awesome, right? Using simple prompts, you can simply generate the audio. Let's talk about Wan 2.5. So Wan 2.5 can be used to create dynamic HD videos with synchronized voice, audio, and real camera movement in seconds. So there are three steps that you need to work on. First, add image, write your prompt, and then you can generate the video using Wan 2.5. Let's quickly see how it works. So when you click on try Wan, it will by default select the last created image. So instead of that image, let create another image, or we can simply upload the image using your local system. So instead of the system, let's change. So let's go to image. Here we have a few images created here, right? So we have this image we created before, and yeah, let's see here. Click on animate. It will be redirected to this page. So here you can create the video out of this image. We have this prompt, right? You can just paste that prompt here. You need to change that model to Wan 2.6, right? Here you can select the duration as well as quality, 720 or 1080. Okay, now click on generate. All right, output is ready now. Let's click. Just focus one line at a time. Just focus one line at a time. All right. So it's a quick video in 5 seconds, but you can make it 10 seconds as well as 15 seconds. But the idea is when you select the model Wan 2.6, it will create a completely different video with the prompt you have provided. All right. Let's see the last one, Cinema Studio. So it's the first end-to-end workflow that takes care of the entire film production process. So the features are one unified flow, composition plus visual grammar, real cinema cameras plus lenses, film trained aesthetics. So here, as you can see on the screen, we are on Cinema Studio here. All right. Here you can see we have this prompt added. You can click and you can update or upload any image here. Let's upload this image, for example, and you can change the prompt here. Let's keep it this prompt. Let me change the resolution. All right, generate. So it will create a video out of this image with this particular prompt. Okay, so now we have images ready with us, right? Click on this video and you can set up the prompt here. So we already have this setup with this drawn shot. We have aspect ratio 16 by 9. Let's keep it 10 seconds. You can turn off or turn on the video, the audio. You can also enable or disable the slow motion and the batch size. All right. So this is the start frame that you need to choose. So let's make the start frame as this image, and let's keep the end frame something else, and try to generate. So we can also set up the prompt here, and based on our input they will create the video out of this prompt. All right, so output is ready now. Let me click. So now this is a start frame, and this is the end frame, right? So you got the idea. So using Cinematic Studio video feature, you can create a multi-frame videos. You just need to give the actual prompt that will generate the video out of multi images. All right. So this was Cinema Studio.